Okay. So the fifth question is, what is good and evil according to Eastern philosophies? So according to Buddhism, good is actions that lead to reduce suffering, compassion, kindness, and right attention. While according to Buddhism, evil actions driven by greed, hatred, and ignorance. So the next one is Hinduism. So according to Hinduism, good is actions aligned with Dharma, which means duty and righteousness. And according to Hinduism, evil is the actions that cause imbalance, injustice, and bad karma. And while in Confucianism, good means virtuous behavior, respect, loyalty, humanism, and proper conduct. While Confucianism, evil means disorder, disrespect, selfishness, and failure to fulfill moral duties. Now, in Taoism, good means living in harmony with nature and the Tao. While in Taoism, evil means forced action, imbalance, going against the natural order. So overall, good is harmony, compassion, and righteousness, while evil is anything that leads to suffering, imbalance, or natural disorder.